welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 12, Indian Democracy, from section C. Answer the following questions as required, 3 marks each. Number 1. Distinguish between national parties and regional parties. National parties. Point number 1. The Election Commission recognizes those political parties which have secured minimum 4% votes in at least 4 states in the preceding election. Regional parties. Point number 1. The Election Commission recognizes those political parties which have secured minimum 4% votes in at least one state in the preceding election. National parties. Point number 2. These parties have mass base in a large number of states and take part in the politics. Regional parties. Point number 2. These parties have mass base in at least one state and take part in the politics at the state level. National parties. Point number 3. The ideology is broad-based and deals with the national issues. Regional parties. Point number 3. Their ideology is narrow-based and espouses the regional issues. National parties. Point number 4. Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, CPI, CPIM, BSP and NCP are the regional national parties. Are the recognized national parties. Next, regional parties. Point number 4. DMK, AIA DMK, Akali Dal, RJD, JDU, AGD, National Conference, Shiv Sena are some of the regional parties. Next, question number 2. Distinguish between parliamentary democracy and presidential democracy. Parliamentary democracy. Point number 1. Parliamentary form of government democracy is based on the principle of fusion of legislative and executive organs of the government. Presidential democracy. Point number 1. Presidential form of government democracy is based on the principle of separation of powers and checks and balances. Presidential democracy. Point number 2. The leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha is appointed as the Prime Minister by the President. Presidential democracy. Point number 2. The people of the USA directly elect their president. Parliamentary democracy. Point number 3. The Prime Minister and the other ministers are members of the Parliament. Presidential democracy. Point number 3. Neither the President nor the member of his cabinet are members of the American Congress. Next, let's see section D. Answer the following question in detail. 4 marks. What is the meaning of secret ballot? Explain. Answer. Point number 1. In order to ensure that the voters exercise their right to vote without fear or favor, the system of secret ballot is adopted in democratic countries. Point number 2. The identity of the voters and his/her voting preference is kept secret. Point number 3. Prior to introduction of the EVM, the Election Commission used to print the ballot paper with the names of the candidates and their election symbols. The voters used to express their voting preference by putting stamp on the election symbol. Point number 4. Before the counting, the voters from the booths were mixed up and then sorted out. Point number 5. With the introduction of the electronic voting machine, the process has become simpler as the voting preference is registered by the pressing the button. Point number 6. A new provision has been NOTA, none of the above, whereby a voter can register negative voting. Point number 7. The counting of the votes has also become faster with the use of the EVMs. So here we completed the solution of chapter number 12, Indian Democracy. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.